What is up, guys? It is Zack Plauché, and this is another vlog, little reflection video. Um, I'm gonna do a split test today. I'm going to post this video on YouTube, Facebook, and like my regular Facebook and my Facebook page to see which one is more effective. Here, wait, let me uncover my mouth. So, yeah, I'm gonna be testing that because when you post a video on Facebook and it's a YouTube video, it's kind of annoying because it's not like, it's not easy because you have to like click through it and then you have to watch the video. So if it's just right there on Facebook, it might be a little easier to watch, and I got to figure out where my audience is. So that's going to be a test today. This week was pretty fine. It's, by the way, I'm going to the store right now. Gonna cook up some breakfast food. And I wanted to kind of knock out the video on the way there. So, I found a nice bench. Here's a cool park. Literally right inside of my apartment complex. So, let me just take this off. There we go. Yeah, I need a haircut, by the way. SOS. So, yeah. This week's been actually pretty cool. I started tracking a lot of my metrics. I'm gonna try to talk quieter because my wife got pretty mad for how loud I kind of reflect. So, yeah. Anyways, I was tracking metrics today, or like this week. I started tracking just life metrics about like different things that I eat, how much money I'm making every day, how much money's in my bank account, that sort of thing. Just important metrics to everyday kind of life. And it's been pretty cool. I've been thinking about a lot of things recently, and since I'm still developing my skills on web development, and also I'm about to start getting back into automation and data science. Not sure which one first. It's looking like it. I don't know. It's going to be one of them or both, maybe just a little bit at the same time. But right now, I'm still building in my development skills. I'm pretty proficient at Django at this point. I need to learn JavaScript. I have a couple of courses on both of those that I'm going to go through. So yeah, that's fun. Let's see. So Sean, the guy that I built the Cat Island Coffee House website for, he hasn't gotten back to me since we basically started. So I have his website ready. I haven't been paid, and I need to do that, which is fine because he's a busy dude and I still have income coming in. It's just I want to make it to where, I need that money, because it would be really convenient on top of what I'm already making. So there's that. I have a strategy because I call him almost every day, and it's just, I have really strong follow-up, even if it's annoying. So I realize, because I'm like 8 hours ahead of the Mississippi time zone, which is where he is. So I've tried calling him during like my day and evening, and that doesn't seem to work. So I have a new strategy. I'm gonna try to call him on early morning, ideally tomorrow at like my 6 a.m., which is like his 10 p.m. Because I remember like when we used to work together, he would answer texts like when I was like when it was really late. So I'm gonna try that. That'll be really funny, and it's interesting because like it's only part of how I help people is the website. But there's a lot more that goes into effective web development than just having the website, because you have to handle things like fulfillment methods, and then like you have to even know like what the operational kind of workflow is. So you really need to work with the owners of whoever you're building the website for, just to see like what's the goal of the website. Is it to be like a blog? Is it to get people to head to your store and buy it? Is it for just branding purposes? I mean, like ideally everyone should have a website, but at the same time, I guess technically you don't need one. But if you're wanting to like build a community, then that definitely makes sense. And if you're a business, it definitely also makes sense. Even things like even brands like Etsy, it's still better that like you just look official. Because, yeah, everyone sells stuff on Etsy, and you're competing with everyone, which is kind of fine. It's like a really big gift shop kind of type vibe, so I feel that's probably the most accurate way of describing it. Either way, yeah, aggressive follow-up is definitely fun, and it's not harassment because like it's I have a good thing for him, and we just gotta solve it because we agreed on stuff. At the same time, he is a busy dude, and I understand because his coffee house is actually doing really well right now, from my understanding, and he hasn't gotten to the point where he's gotten himself out of his business. So, yeah. What else? I started working out again. I took a brief, or kind of a break for a little while, just because when I built a metric tracking software, so that's why like I took like a whole day or two just to get that working, just for me, and it's really basic right now. I just had to think of like, what the fuck do I want to track? And I'm learning a bit more about things that might be useful every single day. I got the idea from this Amazon book, Think Like Amazon. It's fucking amazing, literally. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, this week's been really cool. My relationship's been really awesome this week. Like, this is one of the not like not the first or only time, but like Oli and I have gotten to the point where we're both finally in a good spot because we both have a lot of really cool stuff going on, and you know, it's just not bad. It's in fact, it's really cool. We just gotta get our sleep schedules good. Let's see. I started sending Upwork proposals and Wisant proposals again because I'm needing to attract new customers. I did a test on Instagram too about I put the website that I built on my story, and you can actually see it if you go to my Instagram, Zack Plauché, at Zack Plauché, just lowercase Zack Plauche. And yeah, you can see like on my profile is one of like the pinned stories, so there's that. And I got a lot of good feedback, which is cool because I purposefully put kind of like the questions there to engage people, and I got a lot of good feedback on the website. So I'm still thinking about doing a couple free sites for anyone who might be interested. I have a few friends that I'm thinking about building them for, just for mostly one as a gift and two for marketing purposes. It's a win-win situation for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much, I think that's pretty much it. Yep. All right, so that's the video. Hopefully you guys, I feel like my vlogs are getting a bit more solid. I know they're not edited yet, so they're not super fancy or anything, but you know, I'm doing them, and that's what's important right now. So eventually I'll get to the point where I'm actually doing more stuff with it. I might, next week, I think I'm gonna try to test a 4K recording, because this little DJI Osmo Pocket, let's see, I can probably make you see yourself what you look like to me. Let's see. Nah, it's just a black screen. Oh, wait. Alright. Kinda. There you are. Yeah. So you're that little, like, black thing. So, yeah, this guy records in 4K, so I want to see how the videos come out if I do it like that. So, that's gonna be that. Alright, I'm gonna go get some healthy food. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe or like it, whatever platform we're on. Don't really know. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye for now.